So using AI to assist with feedback for students. I have kind of three main stages that I go through. The first is to train Copilot. So your teaching assistant here, your feedback assistant, is not fresh out of the box, ready to go. You need to give it some information about the course, about the assignment, about how you like to give feedback. So I can provide it with the assignment prompt and a grading rubric that I've developed. And I can provide it with a desired feedback structure. For example, whenever I'm giving feedback to students, I always like to start with a positive comment before going on to all the things I want them to fix. And then I can also even pull examples from old courses to serve as models. So if I've written feedback down for a student on a similar assignment, I can train it on the kinds of things that make my voice unique in that feedback. And then I myself will assess students. I give more of a rough, brief evaluation of each student's work whenever I'm looking over them. And then I ask Copilot to draft some feedback, some longer form feedback that's more clear, that kind of walks students through the issues or the concerns that I have with their work, keeping a professional and constructive tone. And then I refine and personalize that output. What I want to emphasize, if you'll click next, is what I don't do. So I don't input student work into Copilot without consent. And this is back to Jennifer's point about transparency. I talk with students about this process that I'm using, and I tell them, like, if you wanted Copilot to give you feedback on this, like, you don't need me. Like, give your tuition directly to Microsoft, skip this class. I'm not necessary, but I do talk with them about what I personally, as a professor, bring to this experience, right? Like that I am coming in with years of professional experience in the area, that when I give feedback, I'm talking about specific elements that I have seen in practice, kind of consequences that I've seen out in the field. And I think Jennifer's point about, like, I'm the OG Copilot. Copilot learned from me.